I'd like to respond to your forum question, and my understanding of it is that you are in the either grid or loop view in the library module. So I'm in library, I'm in the grid view at the moment. I click on, and this is a preview, and Lightroom builds previews as you've specified on import. So if we come up to catalog settings, and then in file handling we have these three drop downs, and it depends on the size of your monitor and what quality you ask in these catalog settings. So we got different settings here. Now I'm on a 42-inch 4K monitor, and I can see my images at 1:1 at 100%. So my preview is at 500 pixels, and my preview quality is high. So that is where you set your settings for your preview. So when you go to import, and up here preview, let's get rid of that. So under file handling you've got the settings for your previews. Okay, so this is what I've just set is standard. Okay, so that's that. Now to rebuild your previews, you can come down to library, and it's under previews, and then the images that you've got selected in your grid view. So if I change this back to grid view, if I select those two or three images, or I select a folder, or I can select all, Command Control A, library previews, it'll rebuild 1:1 previews or rebuild your standard size previews here, which is the resolution that you have here. So you need to work out what screen size and resolution you have and want. If it's a 4K monitor, you're going to be looking at 5,000 pixels to have that. So that is what I believe is your problem, and I hope that helps you. Have a great day. Stay safe. Bye.